In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a PowerPoint presentation to your Wix site. If you've been looking for a way to share important slideshows or presentations directly on your website, you've come to the right place. This is a straightforward process that allows your site visitors to access your PowerPoint file with just a click. Whether you're sharing a business proposal, an educational slideshow, or a portfolio piece, this method ensures your content is both professional and easily accessible. So let's dive in and walk through the steps together. First, you'll need to log into your Wix account. Once you're in, navigate to the specific site you want to edit. If you manage multiple sites, make sure to select the correct one from your account dashboard. Once you've located your site, click on it to open it in the Wix Editor. This will take you into the editing mode, where all the customization happens. Now that you're in the editor, let's locate the tools you'll need. Look at the top toolbar of the Wix Editor, and you'll see a small plus icon. This is an important tool because it's where you'll add new elements to your web page. Go ahead and click on that plus icon, and a list of elements will appear on the left side of your screen. These elements are the building blocks of your site, and today we're focusing on one in particular. From the list that pops up, scroll down until you find the section labeled Buttons. Click on the Buttons section and you'll see a variety of button styles that you can choose from. Simply pick one that suits your website's design and theme. Once you've selected your button, drag and drop it onto your web page. Position it wherever you want the button to appear. This could be in the middle of the page, at the bottom, or even in a dedicated resources section. The placement is completely up to you, so think about where your visitors are most likely to notice and use it. With the button now on your page, click on it to open its settings. This is where you'll customize its functionality in the settings menu. Look for an option labeled Document Buttons. This is the feature that lets you link files to your button. Once you've located it, navigate to the PowerPoint icon and click on it. This tells Wix that the file you're about to link is a PowerPoint presentation. Next, you'll need to upload your PowerPoint file. To do this, click on the Upload Media option, which will open your computer's file picker. Browse through your files and select the PowerPoint presentation you want to share. After selecting the file, wait for it to upload fully to the Wix Media Library. Depending on the size of your presentation and your internet speed, this might take a moment, so be patient. Once the upload is complete, the file will appear in your Wix Media Library. Now, you need to connect that file to the button you created earlier. This step ensures that when someone clicks the button, your PowerPoint presentation will open or download depending on their device and browser settings. Double check that the correct file is linked to the button, and you're almost done. The last step is simple but very important. Save your changes. Click the Save button in the top right corner of the Wix Editor to make sure everything you've done is properly applied. If you want to preview how the button works, you can switch to preview mode and test it out. Once everything looks good, you're all set. Your PowerPoint presentation is now accessible to your site visitors. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.